Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the board closely. Locate clustered holes and stressed fibers, then mark them so you can work methodically. Once marked, remove any embedded tips or loose sisal fibers using pliers and a soft hammer. Pull straight out to avoid tearing. Make sure to have wood filler or a sisal repair compound ready. These materials restore surface tension. Set the board flat on a protected surface and work from the center of the damaged area outward, so repair blends smoothly with undamaged. You will now fill and rebuild the surface. Apply filler in thin, controlled layers so it bonds without shrinking gaps. After the first layer, let the compound cure, follow manufacturer times, and then sand lightly to remove high spots before the next pass. Once you reach board level, blend texture by brushing toward the original fiber direction or stippling with a small brush to mimic sisal. Make sure to keep repairs flush with the surrounding scoring area so darts land and retract normally. You finish by letting the repaired area cure completely, then trim and sand smooth with 220 grit so the patch matches the board plane. Once satisfied, remount the board at regulation height and level, then test with 10 practice throws to confirm normal penetration and minimal bounce outs. If you see repeated bounce outs or dart snag, re-evaluate patch height and hardness. Soften or sand the repair slightly, or add a thin top layer to change compression. Keep testing until throws feel consistent and safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.